Now we're going to simplify expressions. So let's look at the first one. It says x to 2 over 3 exponent times x to 1/2 exponent. So first let's just multiply the x's. So we have 2 of them. So we're going to have 2x there. But on top we have to add them. So you always add these even though you multiply the x's. And because the bottoms aren't the same, we have to make them the same. So I'm doing 2 over 3 plus 1 over 2 equals, and we're going to put a 6 on the bottom because 3 and 2 goes into 6. So the first one was 3. We're going to times that by 2 because that gave us a 6. So we multiply the top by 2, so that's 4. And then on the bottom we have a 2 on the next one, and we times that by 3 to get 6. So then we're going to times it by 3 on top, and we have 7 over 6. So then that's what we're going to put there as our answer. And that is simplest form. So you just have to remember when you have 2 x's, you just turn that into a 2x, and then you're going to add the exponents, but you have to convert them first if the bottom of the fractions are different. So let's try the next one where we have w to 3 over 4 over w to 1 over 2. So in a division problem, you always take the top one exponent and minus the bottom one. Okay? So now we're going to have 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2, and just like the first one we did, the bottoms have to be the same. So we're going to leave the first one, and we're going to multiply the second one by 2 to get 4 on the bottom, and then when we multiply it by 2 on top, we get 2. So now we have 3 over 4 minus 2 over 4 equals 1 over 4, and that's going to be our answer with a W in the front. So in a division, you just take the top and then you minus the bottom. Now we have one where we have an exponent on the inside, and then we have a parenthesis, and then an exponent on the outside. And that is when you're able to multiply them. So we just take 2 over 3 times 3 over 4, and we get 6 over 12. And then when we simplify that, we get 1/2. So that just equals a to the 1/2 exponent. So you have to remember 3 different things. When you multiply this expression, you add the exponents. When you have a division problem, you subtract the top and the bottom. And then when you have a parenthesis, that is when you're able to multiply them. So if you think of it this way, a regular one, you're going to add exponents. When you have a division, you're going to minus or subtract. And then when you have a parenthesis, you're going to multiply. So it just takes practice, and then you'll have it memorized. But that's the best way to simplify expressions.